Hey, what's up you guys? Ian here once again. Welcome to another unboxing episode and I hope you're doing good. So okay guys, if I tell you that Huawei released a brand new Y series smartphone below 5,000 pesos, what will be your reaction? Crazy, right? Actually, it's only priced at 4,490 pesos. Oh, wait, hold that thought. Let me try to unbox this puppy over here first, give you my first impressions about the phone, and then you give me yours. Deal? Okay, let's go.
So anyway, everything we see here is kinda basic. What do we expect for a super affordable phone, di ba? And this is the unit. So itabi muna natin siya and let's keep our heads in line with the unboxing. What else do we got here? We got some paperworks for the app guide and another small box that houses some more paperworks. Of course, we have the SIM ejector tool. Getting that out of the way, we got the basic wall plug. I think it is just rated 5 watts and nope, definitely no fast charging here. There's also a micro USB cable and as yes, I have predicted it, but for this price, I won't complain if it's just micro USB. And sorry guys, no earphones. We don't have the case neither, and I'm not sure if the retail unit will have those, but here's the hoping na meron. Okay, now let's go back to the smartphone. So before anything else, we need to unwrap it from the plastic and get these stickers out of the way. And we have the phantom blue colorway here. Parang uso ngayon ng blue smartphones this season Well, the Huawei Y5P has a subdued tone on it, in contrast to the flashy ones we have with other recently released phones. Alright, the back panel is made of plastic, or let's just say it's polycarbonate with perforated external, and it's giving me a matte finish, which I really love. It's not that slippery, guys. It's not slippery at all. Hindi siya madala sa kamay. I'm quite impressed with the way the backing looks. Hindi siya mukhang sub 5K phone. It definitely looks more expensive than its actual price. We have the volume rocker and the power button on the right side. The left side has the SIM tray. And the bottom part comes with a speaker grill, 3.5mm audio jack, and the micro USB port.
When you flip the phone on the front panel, you can see na wala tayong notch guys. We only have the forehead and the chin. This is just a plain display that we're familiar with smartphones from 2 or 3 years ago. The smartphone has a 5.45-inch HD display. So, as you can see, it's very compact. I miss the feeling of having a phone that you can use in just one hand. So if you may guys, napaka-nostalgic niya, diba? It's like you have access to all parts of your display with just one hand. It is powered by a MediaTek Helio P22 octa-core chipset, so my impression is this is a very decent smartphone for its class.
It has an 8-megapixel camera on the back, which is framed in a black square module. It gives you an impression that this is a 2020 camera bump design. So napaka-current ng design ng camera bump niya guys. And it's also running on Android 10. Wow, saan ka makakita ng Android 10 smartphone below 5,000 pesos? Kung meron man, it's very scarce. We also have the 3020 mAh battery, which is more than enough for a 5.44-inch HD phone. But of course, we'll test that in our review. After setting it up, the interface is quite smooth. It's something you can use for your daily activities like emails, social media browsing or social media pictures, web browsing, text, calls, and the like. Of course, we have the much improved Huawei app gallery wherein we can download our favorite apps. For me, my to-go apps are already here. I'm very excited sa mga paparating pang apps since Huawei is making partnership every now and then to developers and to other brands. So I think that would be a great thing to look forward to. The Huawei Y5P also packs some security features like the PIN or pattern code and the facial recognition. Unfortunately, it does not have a fingerprint sensor. So I think we'll stick with that, guys. Okay, here are the sample photos that I took with the 8MP rear camera and the 5MP selfie camera. If you're coming from a basic phone and you're trying to test the smartphone waters for 2020, this is a great phone to have. It's also good for students who might need devices for online coaching, with their teachers, or just have a casual chat with their classmates or friends. This would also be a very decent phone.
So, okay, what do you think of the Huawei Y5P, guys? Pasado ba siya? Is it a good buy for a 4,490 peso phone? So tell me your thoughts about this smartphone on the comment section below. And if ever you want me to do a gaming review or have a Mobile Legends test, sabihin nyo lang. Just tell me in the comments. You can always subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And while you're at it, please hit that bell notification icon so you won't miss our new videos. That's all for me today, geeks. Kita-kits next time, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!